Good afternoon, Todd Butterfield, WyckoffSMI.com, LearnCrypto.io. This week's week in review for March 10th, 2024. In front of us is our Wyckoff Wave Index. Been looking for this to turn lower. Friday might have been the reversal we've been needing. We did get short the SPY. We'll show that here in just a second. Wyckoff Wave, new index. Again, looks like we're just testing the highs. Ready to have some type of pullback, maybe at least down to that 1350 level. Wyckoff Wave Growth Index looks like we had an upthrust and a test. We'll look for lower here as well. And then the SPY, we had shown the 5 waves up. We think that probably topped out Friday. We did have the higher opening and a weak close. Technometer is 43, but for our aggressive accounts, I did go short a little bit at the close Friday. So let's look for the SPY to look lower here. TLT, I've talked about being along the TLT and using a stop at 93. I would now raise that sell stop at 94. Let's see if we can work up to that 99 level, as I've been mentioning. Crude oil a little bit sideways last week, but we are still along the XLE and it's performing pretty well. So we will trail a stop here for our pro traders, but we think XLE is still headed higher. GLD, we've been long. We got you in that down there at the lows at 185, 186. We're looking for still higher here. No reason to have any problems. Technometer is near overbought, but we think we're in the middle of a jump here. So let's look sideways to maybe a little higher, and then hopefully we can add on the GLD position. Gold, same type of thing, breaking out, looking extremely well. Silver sideways, but we did have some nice buy divergences at the low with volume hitting new lows while price wasn't. That's what led to this last rally. So again, trail stops here, but stay long the silver. Dollar, we gave a sell up there at 104 and change. Finally got the breakdown we wanted last week. Again, price rallying, volume not. That's bearish. Overbought technometers. That's what got us short here. Let's look for lower. If you are short this, use a stop probably 103.90 or so for now, and then probably could lower that to 103.50 if you wanted to, but stay short the dollar. Bitcoin and Ethereum holding at the highs, not much to add there. Indicators are not giving us any low-risk entries. Technometers are around neutral. So we're monitoring the Bitcoin ETFs and miners, but again, let's look for some type of low-risk setup. And Apple got you that one short perfectly. That one not acting well. Apple's been a complete dog. Let's look at that here. Same type of thing on here. We had volume coming into the upside for quite a few months while price was not, and then getting overbought technometer at the red dots, which got us short at 189.12, gave us another entry there at 184.50, and I've been following up with this with videos, etc. I still look for lower. Nice place here to consolidate, maybe sideways, but I'm going to look for another short sell setup, and still something below 165. I told you we've got point figure objectives down there at 145 to 154. We'll see if we stay short for all that, but we're trying to stay short here and get the meat off this bone. Have a great week trading.